Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Binance Auto-Invest step by step. This feature lets you automatically buy crypto on a schedule, making it easy to invest consistently without placing manual orders. First, log into your Binance account, then go to Trade, select Trading Boards and click Auto-Invest. Tap Create Plan, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and select your payment wallet. Next, choose how often you want to invest daily, weekly, or monthly and set your preferred date and time. Before confirming, Binance will show you a summary of your plan, including the investment amount, schedule, and destination wallet. If everything looks good, click Create Plan and you are all set. Binance will automatically purchase your selected cryptocurrency based on the schedule you choose. You can view, edit, or cancel your auto invest plan anytime by going back to Trading Boards, Auto Invest. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.